Good morning, Pistol. Do you know what today is? Today's a big day. I think you'd be more excited if you knew. It's launch day.
We gotta get out of this place.
If it's the last thing I ever do. We are southbound, baby.
Wheels down.
Yeah.
5:30 a.m.
Headed south out of Newport, Oregon. We're actually going to go east, hit I-5, and take that as far south as we can today. So
Making tracks.
let's do it.
Man, it has been dumping here.
Just storm and Norman.
I am so tired of these waterproof pants I've been wearing for 3 months. I'm going to burn them.
He can't wait to get rid of those.
It's always mixed emotions when we leave. We've got family and friends here, and it's always hard.
Yeah.
We love being with them, but, you know, life's an adventure, and we're going to go get some.
We need some sunshine. And this little girl needs sunshine on her
Those
little joints.
poor old arthritic hips. It's like, I've had enough cold damp. She needs to go flop down in some warm, dry weather and
She does.
be a dog.
All right, let's go.
Let's roll.
We'll see if they're open. Oh yeah, I think they're open. We're gonna do a divide and conquer. We've driven an hour about now, and it's breakfast time. So Dave's gonna cook. I'm gonna run in and grab a couple things, and yeah, we're just doing quick stops, trying to push through Oregon today. But we'll see how far we make it. Eggs are happening.
So you're welcome back. So I started cooking the eggs after you put the stuff away in the fridge. And I heard hearing this noise in the fridge, and I thought, oh no, the fridge is going out. Cause it
Oh no.
Like, oh no. So I opened the fridge out, and your whipped cream, we had it up in here. So I cleaned up some of it. I had like a cup of it down there. It's down into here.
Oh no. Oh no.
So you had it laying there, and it was just openings. And then it wouldn't shut off. I had to wiggle that and finally stop. So anyway.
Okay. Got some whipped cream. Okay, I have a mess to clean up.
I was gonna clean, but I'm cooking.
No, yeah, you're busy. We did it. It was record time for breakfast, and
20 minutes.
Down the road we go. We're almost to the freeway. Just another 20 minutes or so to I-5, and then we'll just book it south.
Book it, Dano.
Book it. Well, someone had to take a potty break,
That's quite a place.
so we pulled over into this.
Little fixer-upper.
Let's not spend the night here.
Man,
Oy. I'll be quick.
I'll cover you.
By someone, I mean me. We all gotta take a little break here. Someone wanted their Becky. The queen sits on her throne. Yeah, mama. All right, down the road we go. We need gas, and we need to do some jumping jacks.
We have a routine.
Gas station routine.
Oh, did I drop one to get an extra?
The girl gets a nugget. Okay, gas, pottied, and southbound again. Next stop, Planet Fitness. We are getting a mid-morning workout in on the road. I need a good stretch and break anyway, so this will be good. Workout, check.
Check.
Now we're headed south over the Weed, California, Mount Shasta area. That pass.
Be in California in a jiffy.
Yeah, and it's
California.
perfect weather to get over that. And that's basically the one kind of big pass we have to get over. And then I think it'll be smooth sailing. So, yeah, it's a good day. It's a heat wave. We're in the 50s now, so.
Mid-50s.
Woo! This is looking familiar.
Round 2.
Round 2. We're at another Planet Fitness in Red Bluff, California. So earlier we lifted, now we're going to do cardio, and we're only about 10 minutes away, I think, from our final destination for the night, and it's just after 3. So
We should be able to get the run in, get parked before dark. Right at dark.
Yes, that's the goal. What a day. We made it. We are in Corning, California. We left the gym kind of in a hurry because we wanted to get here before it got dark. Made it just in time. This is about 20 minutes past the gym. Yes, we got a daily double in. That was nice.
Yeah, I do that a lot, but not when we're traveling. But that makes it nice. You're just sitting on your behind for 8 hours. Everything gets stiff.
Yeah.
Stop, got a 40-minute workout in.
Just to walk on a treadmill too later.
Then come back, get some steps in. Felt great.
Really good.
Sat down, had a nice dinner. I had a crown fall out. It's Friday night.
Yeah. You just said that so casually, but yeah, he had a crown fall out and he was eating a potato of all things.
I just bit and a crunch. Ow! I spit it out and there was a crown just.
But,
Yeah.
I mean, at least you didn't swallow it. You'd be looking for it.
Yeah. So, I guess there's a Rite Aid and a Safeway nearby, and I walked over. Apparently, they make. You get Google now.
Yeah.
So Irene's on it. She's Googling what do we do, and they're like temporary over-the-counter dental cement. I can temporary hold one on, and they didn't have anything like that. So.
But it's not hurting.
Nope, it's not hurting.
And of course, we don't want to go very long like that. But like you said, it's Friday night, so stuff's closed on the weekend. So basically, our plan is to push on tomorrow. How many miles did we go today? 450?
Yeah, a little more.
Yeah. So tomorrow, I think another long day, and maybe Sunday, and then we'll see where we're at.
Hopefully, we'll be in Arizona in a couple days, and then we can start. Boy, she is hot.
Why is she so hot?
It's a little warm in there.
We
just
good
cooked.
to me.
We cooked on the propane.
We did cook. Yeah, we'll see where we're at. Hopefully, I think we'll be into Arizona by then, and maybe we could just queue up somewhere. We'll call around, see if we can get an emergency appointment or something. And even if it's, a few days out, we'll stay and...
Any dentists out there? Any of you in Arizona? Give me a hand.
Yeah.
Help a brother out.
And we just we do not have a dentist established in Florida yet, but the person who put that crown on was in Newport, and we just left today. But we're now 450 miles away, so we're not turning around to go back.
No, so it's interesting. Life on the road, needed dental work done.
This is a new one for us.
Trying to figure out. It'll be interesting.
Yeah.
Just to call around and see if someone can squeeze us in, or, appointments are going to be way out. So it's a matter of can someone squeeze us in the next day or two, get an opening.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see how that works.
We'll see if someone takes pity. And do you really want the dentist that has a lot of openings? I don't know.
We could just shoot all the way down to Mexico. Lots of dentists down
Well, that's an idea.
there. Yeah.
That's not a bad idea. But also, I think you need appointments for some of that, too.
Yeah, I don't know. We have friends who go to Mexico for their dental work and they love it, but
Yeah.
I don't know.
We haven't done it yet. Well, we haven't really needed any dental work. We got a live one here tonight. So that's what's going on here. And I do want to say we had a great Christmas. Spent Christmas with our boys, and it was a wonderful time. And I hope you all had a very wonderful Christmas. And coming up is New Year's. Boy, we're all ready to put 2024 behind us.
What a year.
Yeah, what a year. We will see you down the road. Hopefully we'll be mitigating this dental situation, and we'll talk to you very soon. Carry on.
Carry on. Thanks for watching.
And a very special thank you to our patrons for supporting our channel. Join us over on Patreon for extra videos and more content. Check out our website or Amazon for our pistol book. Carry on.
Carry on.